I'm John Archuleta with this Ebola report. Researchers in Switzerland are beginning human trials this week for a potential Ebola vaccine. The World Health Organization says 120 people will take part. CNN's Nick Robertson has all the details.
Long awaited, finally here. An Ebola vaccine arrives deep underground beneath a Swiss hospital. The potential cure for the deadly virus stored way below freezing. This tiny pouch containing the core of the World Health Organization's, WHO's, largest clinical trial on humans to date. Upstairs, one of the 120 volunteers to test the vaccine prepares for the trial.
I feel very safe about this. A lot of people told me, but there are so many risks. Don't you feel like you could get sick because of the vaccine? But this is not how I feel. And there are a lot of people who could benefit from it.
First, a blood sample taken to make sure she is in good health. Trial confidentiality means we can't reveal the volunteer's name, but we can show her on TV, and she can talk about the experience, checking for fever and rashes and blood tests.
I'm not afraid of blood tests or anything like that, being a med school student. I think the hard part to me is not knowing whether I'm getting the vaccine or a placebo.
Her blood rushed through this 1,400-bed hospital to a state-of-the-art lab. Over the next few months, thousands of volunteer samples will pass through here. Tests in this phase 1 trial made for safety of the vaccine and dosage.
We are measuring antibodies and asking the question, does this protein that we inject elicit an immunological reaction?
Doctors here hope to have the first results as early as December this year. Their biggest surprise so far, way more volunteers than they needed.
It shows first the commitment of the students here, but also the population for clinical research, and also a sense of urgency, but also a sense of we can do something for Africa.
If these trials are successful, the WHO plans to quickly scale up and test vaccines on thousands of people in Sierra Leone and Liberia as early as January next year. If those tests are successful, they could begin a wide-scale vaccination campaign as early as next April. Nick Robertson, CNN, Lausanne, Switzerland.
And remember, you can check out our daily Ebola reports right here on UTSanDiego.com or on our YouTube channel at UTTV San Diego.